Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with a video. This is actually Good Parts number 3. And I'm out here doing my exercise, and I was thinking, I got to make a difference some kind of way. So what I did, I don't try to brag, and most of the stuff I don't even put it online, but I have to share this with y'all. What I did is I got a bag here, and I just started picking up some of the trash. And it was a lot, so I was picking it up, picking it up. And then there was some teenagers, they came by and they said, "Can we help you?" I said, "Yeah, of course." And then they said, "Why are you doing this?" I said, "Well, just to be a good person." See, you can make an impact on people just by doing some simple as picking up trash out of the park. And it looks a lot better when it's clean. You don't have to spend a lot of money to make an impact, and people there will remember that. So I tell everybody, find something you can do that's simple and just do it. Nobody has to tell you to do it, just do it. And a lot of times, I don't even put it out there, but I just want to share that with y'all. And tomorrow I'll be back with another Good Parts video by Booker Williams. Hey, y'all be great. I love you. Ain't nothing you can do about it, but love me back. This is Booker Williams. Deuces.